This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing exactly what you need and protecting the watch. This prevents damage to the movement and dial. Once done, measure the case seat and the sapphire crystal diameter to 0. 1 mm so the fit is snug but not forced. Make sure you remove the crown or secure the movement with a spacer to avoid lateral stress. Then clean the case seat and crystal with lint-free cloth and blower. You want flawless contact surfaces before attempting to press. Now you fit the gasket or apply a thin, compatible lubricant so the crystal seats evenly and seals properly. Once done, choose soft press jaws sized to the crystal and center the crystal over the case seat. Alignment is critical to avoid chipping. Slowly apply pressure in small increments, pausing to inspect seating from multiple angles. If you feel uneven resistance, stop and recenter. Forcing it risks cracking the sapphire or deforming the case. Finish by reinstalling the crown and cycling the hands to verify movement clearance. Make sure the crown turns and the stem doesn't bind against the new crystal. Next, perform a pressure or water resistance test to confirm the seal. Watch for fogging or drops indicating leakage. If you see a problem, remove the crystal, inspect the gasket and seating surface, then reseat or replace the gasket as needed. One key tip: don't guess. Reseat properly rather than forcing a marginal fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.